Hello ZIKers! We're fast approaching November and we're officially starting the best time of the year for any online seller, especially for those watching this video who are experiencing their first last quarter of the year. If you already have a well-operated store by now, you've probably noticed a change in your daily orders. So do not worry, because this trend is likely going to increase even more until it reaches its peak in mid-December, more or less. If you have a store that sells giftable items or gadgets, November could be your best selling month yet, no question about it. And if not, this video can be great for you, as I'm going to reveal the best products to sell in your store for November. So in today's list, I used ZIK Analytics to conduct product research on the best items that can sell well during November. So are you ready for this? And by the way, the last product that I'm going to show you in today's list will blow your mind. It's a simple product, fun product I have to say, with over $11,000 in monthly profit before ads and operational expenses. So it's worth sticking around until the end of this video. So let's start with the first product right now. So the first product in our list is my second favorite right after the last one, and I'm talking about this magic bag right here. It's a great product with high value for buyers and an excellent profit margin. This bag can store makeup and daily essentials, and you can open up and it will transform into like mini station. Basically, you can see everything here in the image. The images are pretty straightforward, so it's very easy to market. You know, you just showcase its storage capacity and how attractive it looks when opened. Plus, it makes for a unique and practical gift that anyone would love to receive. And this Brazilian dropshipping store sells this item for 98 Brazilian reais, which is about $17. There are many colors and pattern variations available. Let's just check the real product's potential right here. I copied this store's URL into ZIK's sales tracker to see how many sales the store has made from this item alone, and look at that. This store has sold this item 243 times in the past 30 days. Now, it's time to find this item on AliExpress, and I'm going to use the item finder for that. I know, just click here and then you see many options. Just pick one. Let me open one here, and can you see it? It's the same item with the same images used by the store that we just reviewed, and the price is almost 70% cheaper. It's only $1.94 plus $4.52 for shipping. Let's calculate how much this dropshipping store made from this product alone. This dropshipping store sells this item for $17. Shopify fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, so that's a total of 79 cents. And the cost on AliExpress is $6.46, which means that the profit from each sale is $9.75. With 243 sales in the past 30 days, we're talking about $2,370 in profit before ad and operational expenses. That's amazing. Like, this store has earned over $2,300 in profit from a product sourced entirely from AliExpress. Woo! Crazy. All right, let's move to the next one, because this is getting exciting. Now, the next one is this new product on the market. It's this scented bracelets, and the concept is quite simple. As you can see here on the product page, basically these colorful circles are infused with essential oils, giving them a delightful smell. I believe that the opportunity is even bigger, because you can create a repeat buyer system around these scented circles, right? Once the scent fades, the smell fades, the customer will return to your store and purchase more. That's something that this store hasn't thought about, but it's a good idea. This product is sold for basically 11 pounds plus 5 pounds for shipping. That's around $20.74. And I pasted the store's URL here in ZIK Analytics sales tracker. I can see here that this bracelet is one of 2 products sold by this dropshipping store, and it has sold 106 times in the past 30 days, which is not bad for a fashion item. Now, let's just click here in the item finder and see if we can find the exact item on AliExpress. You see many options here, and then there you have it. Let me open this one. Look at this. So the same item costs $3.10 plus $3.68 for shipping. So that's a total of $6.78. And if I want, I can also offer refills for this bracelet, which would cost only 90 cents plus $3.68 for shipping. Let's calculate how much this dropshipping store made from this product alone. This dropshipping store sells this product for $20.74. The Shopify fees 2.9% plus 30 cents, that's 94 cents. And then the cost on AliExpress is $6.78, which means that the profit from each sale is $13.02. So let's make it $13. With 114 sales in the past 30 days, we're talking about a profit of almost $1,500 before adding operational expenses. It is a great product, and I especially like the idea of attracting return customers who will need to buy these refills for their scented bracelets. One thing, what are you thinking about these two first products that I showed you? Are you going to give them a try? Let me know in the comments below. Do you have good opinions about it, bad opinions about it? Doesn't matter. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to receive the best content that will just elevate your store to new levels. If you really want to boost your last quarter of the year with the best products for dropshipping, you can do so by subscribing to ZIK Analytics for only $1 for the first week. Let's move to the third item, and this item is just perfect for November. The word gift is all over this product, and I can't imagine anyone who wouldn't love to receive this as a Christmas gift. And I'm talking about these like pink pods right here. And I like this item because it offers a great option for those looking for a quality product without breaking the bank. Let's be honest, AirPods cost around $150 and up. This product serves as a fantastic substitute, especially for younger kids who would be thrilled to have them and less worried about the product brand overall. Another cool thing about this product, it has an attractive design. It's ideal for marketing through organic or even paid ads. I recommend using for social media posts and paid ads images that showcase the digital screen and the little nice gold metal accents here infused into the product. If you're also looking for a product that can perform well for your upcoming Black Friday or Cyber Monday sales, I personally think that this is one of the best items that I've seen recently, especially because of its cool design. Just imagine how powerful it would be to have this product in your store with a Black Friday or Cyber Monday sales sticker on it. So by looking at this product and using ZIK's sales tracker, I can see that this product sold 34 times for $34.70 exactly in the past 30 days. So I believe that this number could easily reach 2-3 times higher as we approach mid-December. What do you think, Zikkers? Can we find the exact product on AliExpress? Spoiler alert. Yes, we can. And I'll just click here on the product finder like this, and there you have it. Look, so many options for the same item. Let's pick one of them, like this one right here. And can you see the price? It's $17.57 with free shipping. That's half the price the store is selling for this exact item. Following the same profit calculations as we did before, the profit from each sale is $15.70 with 34 sales in the past 30 days. That's around $530 in profit before ad and operational expenses. So the next item is also related to semi-gadgets and giftable items. And I'm talking about this metal ring and stand device for iPhone. You can also add this cool device to the back of the iPhone to provide a great stand or a comfortable holder. Obviously, this is a great gift idea for any iPhone owner. The store is selling this item for $24.99 plus an additional $4.99 for shipping. So that's a total of $29.98. And the cool thing again is that marketing a product like this is also quite easy, especially for those using paid ads on Meta, as we can target this item specifically to iOS users and drive targeted traffic to our store. Let's check how many times this item sold in the past 30 days using ZIK's sales tracker. I can see that this item sold 41 times in the past 30 days. Now, for sourcing this item from AliExpress, let's play a game here, you and me. I'm going to show you two sellers from AliExpress, and you can decide which seller we would source the item from. Here's the first AliExpress seller. They're selling the exact item that we saw for $29.98 for only $4.11 plus $1.99 for shipping. Have a look and see what you think. Okay, let me scroll down here. Check this other seller from AliExpress. They sell the same product for a few cents more, $4.78 plus $1.99 for shipping. Which seller would you choose? I hope that you said seller number 2. And why? Let's review this. Let's look at it together. There are two main reasons why I prefer to source the product from this seller. And the first is that they have a high product and seller reputation on AliExpress. They have 32 reviews and 202 items sold and a 4.6 product rating. And additionally, this AliExpress seller offers a product compatible with the newest iPhone on the market, the iPhone 16. When someone owns a new iPhone, an expensive phone like the iPhone 16, they are likely to spend more to get the best accessories that fit this model. So that's a very good thing to have. Now, using the same calculation as before, we can see that the profit from each sale is $21.05. With 41 sales in the past 30 days, the store made around $860 in profit before ad and operational expenses. Okay, so another budget-friendly product that can be a great fit for your store and potentially even become a bestseller if you're running a gadget, gift, or electronics dropshipping store is this smart watch right here. Similar to the wireless earphones, this is a budget-friendly product that can be sourced cheaply and sold for much less than the main brands that sell these watches for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. So let's just see how many times this product has sold in the past 30 days using ZIK Analytics. This product sold 22 times for $45.62. And by clicking here in the product finder, I found so many good options, and one of them is this one right here. Look at this. It's the exact same item, but it costs only $20.51 with free shipping. And since this listing on AliExpress has a good reputation with a 4.6 star rating, I can also list other smartwatches available here, like this variation with a gold mesh belt that comes as a bundle with a metal band, which can easily be sold for 3 times more with the right marketing. The profit from each sale is $23.28, and with 22 sales in the past 30 days, we're talking about more than $500 in profit before ad and operational costs. Now, are you ready for the last and the best product of today's video? And before I share with you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to me and to everyone here in ZIK. Now, let's just go to the next product. Are you ready for the best item in today's list? Okay, I'll stop. I'll just show you the product. And this is one of the ultimate products to sell in November. Why? Well, it has the gadget appeal, it's electronic, and it plays an amazing role as a giftable item. I mean, come on, like who wouldn't love to receive a gift like this? Like this product, it's a 1/76 scale model of a real drift car and it's fully tunable with a remote. And you can also make as many donuts as you want with this cool toy. Let's just review how many times this product has sold in the past 30 days. And I can see that this is a niche store that made 752 sales and generated over $60,000 in revenue in the past 30 days with only these 3 products right here. This alone reviews 2 more great products to add to any dropshipping store. But let's just focus on the product that we are reviewing, which is the most expensive item in the store, and it has sold 253 times in the past 30 days for $118. Now, let's just see how much this product costs on AliExpress. I'm just gonna click on the product finder again and look at this. There's so many options. So let's open one of them, like this one right here, and this is the exact same item. It costs only $70.08 with free shipping. How much this dropshipping store made from this product alone, you might ask? The profit from each sale is $43.23 with 253 sales in the past 30 days. The store made almost $11,000 in profit before ad and operational expenses. Can you see it? Like, really, can you see what I'm talking about? From what I observe, the sales of this item will likely increase even more as we approach mid-December. So adding this item or something similar would be a great idea right before the biggest surge in demand for products like this one. These are the top 6 products that you should add to your dropshipping store now, today, to boost your sales. And remember, by using the power of solid data, you can reach new heights and discover products that you never imagined that could be so successful. Thank you so much for watching until now. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.